In this video, I'm going to showcase my ghost shader that I have developed in Unreal Engine 4. The ghost you can see on the screen is animated entirely using the shader. This shader has 10 exposed parameters divided into two categories. These parameters will allow you to control various properties of the ghost shader. The floating speed parameter controls the floating speed for the z-axis, up and down. The animation speed parameter controls the animation speed. The animation smoothness parameter controls the animation smoothness. A higher value will make the animation smoother. The float direction parameter controls the minimum and maximum floating direction. Each of the channels, red, green, and blue, represents the X, Y, and Z axis. Changing the value for each of these channels will change the direction of the floating. The animation direction parameter controls the minimum and maximum animation direction. Each of the channels, the R, G, and B, represents the X, Y, and Z axis, and changing the value for each of these channels will change the direction of the animation. The texture parameter controls the diffuse texture. The emissive parameter controls the emissive surface property. The metallic parameter controls the metallic surface property. The roughness parameter controls the roughness surface property. And lastly, the specular parameter controls the specular surface property. Because the animation is contained within the shader, you can simply use the character blueprint, import a static mesh, and apply the shader to get a fully working animated ghost character.